On the left side, if you see, this is the Pareto chart which we plotted earlier, and based on that we concluded that working on loose caps and wrong labels, if we remove these two problems, 72% problems will be resolved. But once we split that into different categories, different types of bottles, 300 milliliter bottle at the top, 500 milliliters bottle in the middle, and 1000 milliliter bottles in the at the bottom. So now if you look at these charts, you see a different trend. You see that loose caps, which you saw as a 50% problem, if in the combined one, loose caps was contributing to 50% of the problems. But if you look at 1000 milliliter bottles, there the loose cap is contributing to more than 80% of the problems. So that means the problem of loose cap is more prominent in that particular type of bottle, that particular type of machine might be giving that problem. So the machine which is producing the caps for 1000 milliliter bottles, that might be a problem. So now your focus has changed. Rather than looking at the big picture, now you are looking at the focused thing. And if you see that 300 milliliter bottles, instead of loose caps, wrong label is a big problem there. So maybe now what you need to do is, you need to check the labeling machine for that 300 milliliter bottles. You need to look at the loose cap problems in 500 milliliter and 1000 milliliter bottles. So that's how you segregate data, you break data into small pieces if your data is coming from multiple sources. So with this, we complete our discussion on 7 basic quality tools.